Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to freeze clone with one click on CapCut. So the freeze clone video will go like this, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first, what you need to do is open CapCut. Oops, sorry about that. And then click on new project, and here add a video of you walking or someone walking like this, and you can also shoot your own video. And then here I'm going to adjust the speed of the video first because it's too slow, so I'm going to just go with okay, click on the check icon, and then you can just go to style, and here swipe until you find the freeze frame one. So this one's right here. Just click on that and wait until it's fully generating. So it depends on your length of video, so the shorter the quicker the generating process is. Okay, so just wait a little bit more. Okay, so now it's done. You can also adjust the interval between two freezes, and also like this you can go, for example, you can always adjust it. Okay, if you adjust it, it will regenerating again, and you can just wait until it finish. Okay, so now it's done, and it will go like this. So if you swipe right, it will reduce the number of the clone, but if you swipe left, it will go like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can freeze clone on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.